Today, we're honored to show you around the 2020 Mountain Aire Luxury Motor Coach. Now offering a second 40-foot floor plan, Mountain Aire takes luxury to new heights, no matter the length. The first stop on our tour of Mountain Aire is the cockpit. Here, you'll find push-button ignition, a modern digital display, a wireless charging station, and side and tri-view rear camera displays. Both captain's chairs are heated, and the queen-size passenger seat includes a workstation and a footrest. Rand McNally navigation provides turn-by-turn directions and is viewable on dual-color monitors, while select floor plans offer an additional passenger navigation monitor. The JBL Cockpit audio system boasts 11 custom-tuned speakers, which provide incredible sound whether you're listening to the radio, audiobooks, or anything in between. Mountain Aire possesses many safety features that ensure your peace of mind on every trip. These include electronic stability control, a tire pressure monitoring system, on-guard adaptive cruise control with collision mitigation technology, and a 360-degree outside camera display. And an SUV-like driving experience is made possible by Comfort Drive adaptive steering with passive steering technology. Next, we'll step into the Mountain Aire living room. Today, we're touring floor plan 4002, which features our sophisticated Barnsley decor fabrics. This particular floor plan is furnished with a hide-a-bed sofa that's positioned across from a pair of optional recliners. Other furniture configurations are available as well, including a chaise lounge and powered theater seating. For durability and beauty that lasts mile after mile, all of Mountain Aire's furniture is covered in ultra-leather fabrics. Oversized non-opening windows fill Mountain Aire with sunlight, while a designer feature ceiling and carved hardwood slide-out fascia add beauty. The heated tile flooring adds warmth to cool mornings, and it's always easy to find a comfortable temperature thanks to 3 heat pump central air conditioners with a remote control thermostat. The 2020 Mountain Aire grants you a variety of high-end entertainment features to help you make the most of every getaway. You'll find a retractable Samsung 4K TV that's connected to a Blu-ray DVD player and a Bose SoundTouch 300 soundbar. A second overhead-mounted TV also comes standard, and a Wi-Fi signal booster allows you to stream movies and TV shows with ease. Now we'll move into the Mountain Aire kitchen, where you'll find everything you need to cook like a pro. The appliance suite shown here includes a stainless steel convection microwave, a Whirlpool French door refrigerator, and a recessed induction cooktop. Super polished, solid surface countertops are highlighted by an elegant tile backsplash, and the hardwood cabinetry, which you see here in high-gloss Bermuda glazed maple, features soft-close side hinge doors and self-closing drawers, just like you'd find in a residential kitchen. This Mountain Aire displays our Hide-a-Leaf dinette, the perfect setting to enjoy each meal. Moving towards the rear of floor plan 4002, we find the nicely appointed midship half bathroom, ideal for hosting guests. And with linen and medicine cabinets, it also offers extra storage for your essentials. In the Mountain Aire Master Suite, you'll find a spacious retreat that's all your own. Backed by a tasteful leather-wrapped headboard, the king-size Sleep Number adjustable mattress promises restful nights and refreshing mornings. Each nightstand is equipped with a USB charger for your devices. Positioned across from the bed, you'll find a Samsung LED TV and a Blu-ray player, and there's an in-room touchscreen that makes it easy to control many of your Mountain Aire's functions. For storage, a large hardwood dresser offers 6 spacious drawers. Entering the ensuite master bathroom of floor plan 4002, you'll find a 35-inch shower with an Aqua Miser shower system, tile surfaces, a fold-down shower seat, and built-in soap dispensers. A washer and dryer are concealed behind a cabinet door. For 2020, Mountain Aire is available in 8 floor plans, measuring either 40 or 45 feet in length. Today, we've been touring floor plan 4002, which measures 40 feet and 10 inches in length and features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. For 2020, Each 45-foot Mountain Aire is built on either a Spartan K3 chassis or Freightliner SL tag axle chassis, with 40-foot floor plans built on a Spartan K3 chassis exclusively. On all floor plans, 500 horsepower is supplied by a Cummins engine. Welded to the chassis is our Star Foundation, a supportive steel superstructure that helps ensure a quiet ride. Our exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish adorns each Mountain Aire and is seen here in Barnsley. It's made possible by BASF and Industrial Finishes. The Girard Nova side awnings create a space to relax in nice weather, while the optional outdoor entertainment center is perfect for enjoying a movie or the big game. Your refreshments will stay cool in the pull-out Dometic freezer. For your convenience, you'll find power baggage door locks, and for your safety, a keyless entry door with a touchpad and a doorbell comes standard. You may also select the available power pass-through storage trays for easy access to luggage and other belongings. The coach's power is supplied by a standard 12.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan diesel generator. On behalf of everyone here at Newmar Corporation, we want to thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2020 Mountain Aire. For more information, visit your nearest Newmar dealer or visit newmarcorp.com today.
If you enjoyed this video and are looking for some more information, give us a call at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule an in-person walkthrough or to set up a virtual appointment with one of our motorhome specialists. Stay safe out there, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.